Hi guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Success Cosmas and today's video is proudly sponsored by Temu. Yes, Temu. So a lot of you have been ordering stuff from Temu or probably have not ordered anything from Temu, or you want to see a review of items from people that have ordered things from Temu. So I ordered a lot of things from Temu, specifically earrings and a body shimmer. I'm particular about earrings because I have an occasion I'm preparing for and I needed some glitter earrings, right? So because I needed glittery earrings, I thought, why not order these things directly from Temu? Because I know Temu literally has almost everything, right? So I ordered a lot of bling bling, what we know as glittery stuff from came and basically earrings and a bronzer, right? I was particular about this bronzer because I needed something I could put on my chest that would give me that shiny glittery effect when I have makeup on and even on my face so that my face could also glow as well, right? And then I went ahead to order this particular earrings. I love these earrings especially because of the shape. You see this star kind of shape, right? I felt like this is very nice. This is very cute, especially for the outfits I am contemplating on using, right? I love how glittery this earring is, right? This is what it looks like on the website, and this is what I got when I ordered it. So what I ordered versus what got, right? Yeah. The next earring I had to order is this kind of star-studded earrings, right? I see a lot of guys wearing these jewelries, and especially those of them outside the country, or some of these footballers. And do you know that initially I was thinking this particular earring is very, very expensive. But guess what? It's cheap on the Temu app, right? So you know where to rush to now if you love this particular earring, right? This is what it looks like on the website when I ordered this, and this is what it looked like in real life when I also got it delivered to me. Remember, when you shop from items from Temu, you also get free shipping, right? Then because I ordered this earring in the golden color, I thought why not get it also in a silver color, right? So that I would not miss out on any outfit I want to pair it with. So I had to get the earring as well in a silver color since I already previously ordered it in a gold color. I had to add the silver color to my cart, and this is what it looks like on the website. This is also what it looked like in real life when I got it delivered to me. Okay. Now, I've always been admiring this earring on people. I see it a lot on TikTok. I see it a lot of on some celebrities when they wear it. And I thought, wow, where could I get this particular earring from? And when I checked and searched for it on the Temu app, I found it there and I grabbed it. I immediately added it to my cart. Can't you see the versatility of this particular earring? Don't you love how it is? I could actually use it as a two-way earring, right? But I love the part of it that is quite glittery. In fact, I was keen on getting items that glitter on Temu, right? So if you want any item that's glittering on Temu, especially if it's jewelries, right, and your accessories, trust me, you should go to the Temu app and look for these items, and you will definitely find them there. Okay. Thank you so much, Temu, for sponsoring this video. And I can't wait to see you shop items on Temu using my discount code below. Also, check the caption for more details. Bye. And make sure to shop glittery items on the Temu app. Okay.